Hi, welcome to our Google class on CE5, Highways and Railroad Engineering course. This is Module 1, Orientation Week, September 7, 2020. Okay, what are the intended outcomes? After this module, the students shall be able to participate actively in our Google Classroom LMS or Learning Module System. So, let me introduce myself. I'm Engineer Red Valencia, your professor in this course, a faculty member of the URS College of Engineering with professional license in civil engineering and in sanitary and environmental engineering, also with transportation engineering studies from my UP Masters in Urban and Regional Planning, and with a diploma of graduate studies in civil engineering at VUB, Brussels, Belgium. So, welcome to our Google Classroom LMS. If you have any questions, email me at redentor.valencia@urs.edu.ph. That's my official URS email. Or you can also leave your comments in our Google Classroom. So, CE5 or Highway and Railroad Engineering course presents the methods and underlying principles for the design and control of the elements of road and railroad infrastructure. Students would know and use transportation system terminology, flow analysis, driver, vehicle, and road characteristics, and aspects of road geometrics, road construction, drainage, pavement, and maintenance. So this is directly from the CHED Memo 92 issued in 2017, which we're following from the old 5-year program to the new 4-year program. So, what are the general objectives addressed by CE5 course in our BS Civil Engineering program? This is an enhancement type course for third-year CE, addressing 4 of 13 program outcomes or PO. Program outcomes A is that you are able to apply knowledge in mathematics and science to solve complex engineering problems. Program outcomes C is that after this course, you're able to design a system, component, or process to meet desired needs within realistic constraints in accordance with standards. Program outcomes E is that you're able to identify, formulate, and solve complex civil engineering problems. And traffic is one of the major engineering problems, and it's not being solved because simply, there's lack of competence in highway engineering among those who are supposed to be implementing or maintaining transportation and traffic systems. Program outcomes G is that you're able to communicate effective civil engineering activities with the engineering community and the general public at large. So this is where you need online skills like how to make a video and computer applications. What are the course objectives of CE5? So at the end of the course, the student must achieve the following learning outcomes, or LO. You're able to define the basic concepts of highway and railroad transportation and present how to apply them in civil engineering practice. Learning outcomes 2 is that you're able to recognize the concepts associated with the geometric and structural design of highway and railway system. Learning outcomes 3 is that after this course, you're able to explain basic service requirements of highway and detail the procedure to conduct level of service analysis, LOS. This is how you say, ang sama ng level of service sa NLEX or sa SLEX, for example, or sa EDSA. Okay. And learning outcomes 4 is that you're able to develop basic traffic stream parameters and models, traffic flow models, and apply the queuing theory. So these are all coming from the CHED Memo 92 series of 2017, which we are following here in Antipolo campus as well as in College of Engineering in Morong campus. Okay, so let me introduce you to the OER. OER means Open Educational Resources or learning videos. We're going to have a synchronous learning delivery called LMS or Learning Module System, a web-based or online system recommended by CHED. Hindi natin gusto to. Actually, miski before COVID, meron ng LMS na pinapatupad ang CHED. So, okay. The LMS helps URS organize school learning download OER01A to learn more about what is an LMS, and then download OER01B together with the learning guide. Download it to your device, which is your cell phone. You can study it offline as your reference for this course. So here, OER01C is offline YouTube for Google Classrooms. OER01D is offline Google Sheets tutorial for Google Classroom. I think my student assistant was able to share it to you in our group chat, also here in our Google Classroom during our informal sessions. Okay, and then OER01E is the reaction to Google Classroom assignment. This is how he showed you how to answer your assignment or quiz after the module. So expect that after every module, you will have comprehension or learning assessment, and you are going to answer it in Google Form, Google Sheet, or you're to make a video or a presentation. Since there's no face-to-face, so PowerPoint presentation is useless. Why? Because it cannot self-present itself. I have a video tutorial on how to make a video presentation, which is part of here. Program Outcomes G. Communicate effectively civil engineering activities with the engineering community and the general public at large. So that's why I was a little surprised why some faculty was trying to make an issue that bawal daw gumawa ng video at saka mag-post sa YouTube. I don't know. So now you know why I insisted that you develop that skill, because you need it in this program, in the BS Civil Engineering program. Okay, so welcome to CE5. After Module 1, we have Orientation Week. So you are now ready for Module 2. Welcome to Module 2.